Hi there, welcome back to another video. So with not much rallying or airplanes, I decided to make a video of changing the oil, an oil filter and air filter on my 2008 2-litre TDCI S-Max. So please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. So let's get into the video. So this is a 2-litre TDCI. We're going to start by removing the filter down there. It's only a filament, it's not like a steel or metal filter. So we change that. Take out the oil first and top it up. And we're also going to change the air filter today, just in there. First of all, we get our oil extractor. We'll put it down the dipstick. Pumping. See the oil coming here again. Let's get over the hill. Let it go. And gravity suction keeps it going then. So while we're waiting for that to drain, we'll get the air filter out. So these are Phillips head screws. This is our new air filter. Some simple straight swap. Old versus new. Would be easier than holding the camera, but so that's the air filter changed. So that's all the oil drained. So next job is to remove the oil filter cap down there. So what you need is a 27mm socket. So that's the old filter. Doesn't look great. New oil filter. Replace the old over with the new one that comes in the box. Just that. Just insert the new filament the opposite way to cut the old one. That's the air filter changed, oil out, and the oil filter changed. So just a matter of topping it back up again. That's 4 in. We'll settle for a while and come back. So we'll settle for a while. That's it with 4 litres. So we'll just top it up a bit more. Leave it for another while and check it. Top it up as needed. Next job I'm going to try and attempt is the diesel filter. A bit trickier now than the oil, as it may need bleeding. So stay tuned. So hit the like button. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.